In this video, I'll show you how to change your Robinhood password step by step. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, go to the menu and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Security and Privacy option and tap on it. Next, select Change Password. You'll be asked to enter your current password first, then type your new password. Make sure your new password is strong, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After that, confirm your new password by typing it again. Once everything is entered, tap on Update or Save to apply the changes. You may be asked to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone or email, so enter that code if prompted. After confirmation, your password will be successfully updated. Next time you log in, use your new password. And that's it, your Robinhood password has been changed. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.